Lisa here. I have another Ipsy unboxing. I know it is April. Yes, I did get my March. I filmed it on my camera, but it didn't upload. And then when I tried to re-upload it, somehow the video got deleted. And I never had a chance to remake it, especially saying so. Why remake it? I already know what's in here. So, this was the March bag. Wait, January, February, March. Yeah, March. And this is what I got inside. I've got eyeliner in a brown color. Trying to let you guys see it. I have got a bronzer. And so that way you guys can see this too. Oop. Still never figured out how to open that. And this is what it looks like. It smells like blush. I always have to smell this every time I opened it. First time I opened it, I smelled it as well. It's like, what is up with me and smelling things? So, oh, and I'm sorry if my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower. So, I have got a lip lacquer. Had to figure out what that was for a minute because I could not remember what that was. How did I open this last time? Okay. And this is what it looks like. Why is it? Sticker's coming off. And you guys cannot see that because the camera's not focusing. Then again, my camera doesn't like me. Where'd my eyeliner go? Oh. And then I got, and I am missing something. Where did it go? This thing. And then I got this. I have, yeah, I did open it. I never closed it. Get out of there. It won't come out. There it is. It's a little tube. It's a little tube. Come on, focus. Bye-bye under eye. And then now gets back in your package. And then I got this, which is a intensive blemish serum. I have used this once. The thing is really hard to open, and you could see how squishy the bottle is, and it's hard to open. It was hard to open the first time, and since I've opened it the first time, it is rather easy. And this is runny. Very, very, very runny. I dumped it on, I was holding it like this, and it leaked out all over my surface, and I'm just like, crap! So, it did work, but at the same time it didn't, and it made a huge mess. So, still, So that was what was in the March bag, in the March one. So now, let's open up the April bag. Once I put all the March things back in its own little pouch. Get in there! Fine, then stay there. So now let's open up. If I can get the label back so I can open it. Card. Dreamers. What is dreamer? Dreamers. I'm weird. Ow! Hit my elbow. Ah! Something in my eye. Bloopers everywhere. So, I'm assuming the thing is Dream On, or Dreamers, is the theme. So now let's take, where's the zipper? There it is. take out the bag itself. And ooh, that is cute. And you're looking at the back. That is cute. I like that. So let's open. And first thing, I have grabbed two things. One is small, one feels like bubble wrap. Let's go with the small thing. That is not a small thing. So let's put this over here. So I cannot see that. What in the world? Is this a lip crayon? Lip cream. It smells like mint. But this is what we got. The first thing. And it smells like mint. I got it on my nose. I love that smell. Ah, I got it on my nose again. It smells like mint. I love that smell. It's probably not smart to smell makeup. I'm weird. Now let's take our bag. Oh, this thing is right there. Right there. Right there. So now let's grab item number 2. Bubble wrap. It is nail polish. And I was right. There is bubble wrap in here. This is going to entertain. The bubble wrap itself is going to entertain me. Seriously, who gets bubble wrap and just doesn't pop it? If you do that, in my opinion, you are not a normal person. Then again, I have room to talk, and why? I'm gonna ruin my bubble wrap because it's not open. Ah! And the bubble wrap is intact. Ooh, that is a pretty color. That is pretty. That is a light lilac purple. That is pretty. And now you can't see it. That is a lilac purple. That is pretty. Let's see what... Oh! The color is in or out. Let's see if it will focus. Nope. It doesn't want to focus. Like my life. That is still pretty. I love that color. I love the lilac color. Put it down, Lisa. You still got items in here. Let's take up our bag. The nail polish is right next to the... What was this? Lip cream. Oh, they're right next to each other. Let's take out item number 3. What in the world is this? Don't despair, repair. Gel to oil overnight repair treatment? What? Does anyone have any idea what this is? Wow, my camera. Why does it do that? It's night. It's light. Bloopers everywhere. But does anyone know what this is exactly? Oh, please don't be hard to open, yay. That has no scent. No. Everything is getting on my nose today. Getting on your nerves, getting on on your nip. This is what happens when I try to be smart. I end up stupid. When I'm stupid, I'm smart. When I'm smart, I'm stupid. Sounds like my life. So alone. So that is what we got. I have no clue what to do with it. We'll find out later. Putting that right there. Item number 4. I've only got 4 items. There's only 4 items in here. This is the 4th thing. There is nothing else in here. Did the bubble wrap count as a 5th one? Bubble wrap. You gotta love it. I just looked at the 5th thing. It fell out. Ah! Crap falling off my desk. So this is the 4th thing that we got, and I kind of already looked at the 5th thing. Because it fell out. It's still in the package. So, what is this? It's eyeshadow. It'd be helpful if I look at the back and be like a smart person. But we all know that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna open it. How do you open it? Got it open. Let's see what color this is. You guys look first. What color is it? Ooh. That's like a caramel color. That's cute. Desert sand. I should have just looked at the back. Again. Then again, I'm not a smart person. So, it is tiny. I just realized that. That is really tiny. Tiny, tiny. Well, let's move on to the 5th item, which is in the bag! Because it fell out, or didn't fit. And I kind of already looked at it. It's a brush. Hey! It's an actual brush! Now I have an actual makeup brush. Before, I just had, like, some cheapy ones. Tapered Duo Fiber Brush. My English is bad, and English is my first language. So, this is the brush we got. Let's open it. It looks soft. Is it soft? It's soft. It's really soft. Soft. Ooh, it's got like a textured grip. Or not really a textured grip, but grooves in it. Did that not fit? Yeah, that would not... It would fit in the bag. It must have just fell out. So that would... It's my crown brush. Or, is crown brush even a brand? I don't know, but this is what it says on the brush. And this is what it looks like. This will be fun to use. I'll definitely use this. I definitely need more makeup brushes. I've only got 2, 3. And they're all multi-purpose brushes. At least I make them multi-purpose. I can't stop petting this. It's so fuzzy. So, let's see if I can hold all these again. This is what we got in the April bag. You got a brush, you got some eyeshadow, you got whatever the heck this is. We got some lip cream crayon thing, and we got some pretty nail polish. I almost called that lip polish. Nail polish. In a really cute watercolor bag. I don't even know what I was going to say, so I will stop talking now. Bye! Click.